Guys, welcome back to 94 Sunset Road here in Arlington. This is our single family project. We acquired it about 3 months ago. Where are we in the building process right now?
We just passed all of our rough inspections. We're getting ready for insulation, and after insulation we're going to be weather tight. All of our windows and siding are complete and the roof is in. So Dimitri, how's the current condition in the Arlington market? Do you really think we're going to hit that 1.7 million mark for this home?
Definitely. So year over year, Arlington's about 5% up in terms of median home prices. I know originally we said 1.7, but between some of the upgrades we've made, which we'll show you later, I honestly think we might even be able to go above that $1.7 million mark when we do list this property. But Gene, speaking of listing it, I hear we are a few weeks behind. What is the reason for that?
So the major reason for the delay has been in the second floor. Originally we were going to just dormer the roof. Once we demoed, we really wanted to achieve these beautiful cathedral ceilings. By doing that, we had to completely cut the roof, rebuild both of the exterior walls. But I believe that hopefully the buyers at the end are going to really appreciate the ceiling heights and the dramatic feel that we have up here.
So Gene, I think between the cathedral ceiling, the little detail we added in the primary bathroom with a skylight above the shower, buyers are going to really appreciate all the thoughtfulness that went into design, and that's how I think we're going to achieve that higher price point. So Gene, I know recently we had to make a big $5,000 decision. Can you tell me what that was about and where in the house it was?
Yeah, so the decision was whether to bump out ductwork in the basement for central heat and AC to do another zone down there, or to do a split unit and eliminate the bump out. The split unit would have been a $5,000 upgrade, and we decided to save the $5,000 and have the bump out because I really do think that, you know, it's not that big of a deal down there. What do you think?
I agree. The rest of the basement is going to be open, and that bump out from the ceiling is in the hallway. I don't think it would have been worth the extra $5,000 cost.
Dimitri, these renovations are coming out great. What are your top 3 features in this house?
Number 1, this mudroom. Having 3 boys, I would love to have this kind of space for all their shoes and jackets. 2, this huge island. If you got a big family, you can easily have all your meals here. Number 3, the ceiling height. I'm 6'2", standing on this ladder that I still can't touch. Those are my top 3. What's on your list?
My top favorite feature of this home is the primary bathroom suite, featuring double vanity, gorgeous shower with the skylight. My second favorite feature of this home are the oversized windows made by Pella, also including this 8-foot slider leading to your backyard. And my third favorite part of this home is the open floor concept. This house is really made for entertainment.
So, Gene, a lot of people have been asking about the house, shown a lot of interest, asking when can they see it. When will it be complete?
We are targeting for end of July completion. Let's get this done. Stay tuned, guys.